Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to forward Yahoo mail to Gmail. So first of all, open Yahoo and open to Gmail. Before start a video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto setting icon. After that, click on see all settings. Account and import. Select this, import mail and contact. You need to just type here your Yahoo email address. Click on to continue. Continue again. Tap on to agree. Click on start import. Click on to OK. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily forward Yahoo mail to Gmail. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more videos.